Hello students, this is Usha, your English teacher. Previous session we learnt about verbs and its exercises. In this session we are going to learn adjectives. Adjectives, that is chapter 6 in your book. What is adjective? Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. See that example. First example, Rohan is a good boy. What is noun? Noun is a word, it naming a person, place or a thing. Here, what is the noun in that first example? Rohan. Here, adjective is good. That adjective good describes a noun Rohan. What kind of a boy? Rohan is a good boy. What kind of a boy? It answers the question, what kind of a boy? Rohan is a good boy. Second example, he has a blue pen. Here, noun is pen. What kind of a pen? Blue pen. Its color is blue. Like that, it describes the noun. It gives more details about noun or pronoun. Here, he, that is pronoun. He has a blue pen. He pronoun. What kind of a pen he have? Blue pen. Right? That adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. It gives more details about noun or pronoun. See that third example. I saw 3 boys in the park. How many boys? It answers the question, how many boys? I saw. How many boys you saw? 3 boys. In the park. In the park. Fourth one. This is a colorful bag. This is a colorful bag. Bag. What kind of a bag? Which color bag? Describe. Give more information about the bag. That is colorful bag. He is a good boy. Blue pen. 3 boys. Like that, it gives more information about noun or pronoun. It describes the noun. Here we have 3 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. We have 3 types of adjectives. That is adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. Now we are going to see one by one. What is adjectives of quality? An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Person or a thing, that is noun. An adjective of a quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Here the person or a thing is a noun or pronoun maybe. It answers the question, what kind of a? It answers the question, what kind? What kind of a person? What kind of a thing? Like that, it answers the question, what kind? See that example? The bag is colorful. The bag, that is noun. Thing. A colorful, that is adjective. The colorful word describes what kind of a bag it is. Is that clear? Next. The lesson was interesting. Here the noun is lesson. What kind of a class? How the class is? What kind of a class? It is interesting class. The lesson was interesting. Everyone likes to sleep on a soft bed. Everyone likes to sleep on a soft bed. Bed. What kind of a bed it is? It is a soft bed. Like that, adjectives of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Next one, adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity indicates the quantity of something. It indicates the quantity of something. It answers the question how much. These adjectives of quantity used for uncountable things. Adjectives of quantity used for uncountable things. Let's see the examples. There is little milk in the bottle. How much milk in the bottle? Little milk. He borrowed some money from Rohit. There is enough sugar in the jar. How much sugar in the jar? Enough sugar in the jar. That adjectives of quantity tells us the quantity of milk, money and sugar. Right? Here the adjectives of quantity, that is adjectives little, some, enough, it describes the quantity of things. Next one, adjectives of number. An adjectives of number tells us the number of people and things. An adjectives of number tells us the number of people and things. It answers the question how many. Adjectives of number used to indicate countable things. Adjectives of quantity, that is for uncountable. Now adjectives of number for countable things. See that example. There are 40 students in my class. How many students? It answers the question how many students. How many? That is 40. A car has 4 wheels. How many wheels? 4 wheels. There are several mistakes in the documents. How many mistakes in the document? Several mistakes in the documents. Here the adjectives of number 40, 4, several. It describes the number of people or things. Here I mentioned some points to be remembered. Adjectives of quantity is used for uncountable things like water, milk, rice, etc. like uncountable things. Adjectives of number used for countable things like pen, table, students, chair, etc. Much. The word much indicates quantity. Example, much work is left to be done. The word much indicates quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Many indicates number. Example, there are many dancers on the stage. Here the word many indicates the adjectives of number. I hope all are understand the session well. Go through the session again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day.